I set the food down for the kitties. Tux is a little confused about where he's supposed to be there. I started picking up some sweet gum balls, the ones between the house and where the cats are, so I'm not stepping on these boulders. Yeah, that really shows the extent of just how many sweet gum balls there are to deal with, although I've cleaned up here. Like I said, I just don't want to be stepping on them all the time. It's rough on your foot. Hey, Panther, good morning. Good morning. Well, at least the front porch doesn't need any cleaning. The front porch looks in pretty good shape. Hey, bud. Yeah, if the driveway wasn't in such great shape, we wouldn't have too much cleanup. But the driveway, as you saw last night, there was stuff coming up and hitting the car all over the place. So Don and I are fixing to get out there and walk the driveway. One of us blowing and one of us throwing. Good morning, sunshine. Here you go. Here you go. Mom will be in to sit with you after she gets a little more fresh air, okay? Yeah, I smell like sweet gum balls probably. Or Stripe, one of the two. I told Don to get the blower, start at the cement, and follow me down the driveway. I'm going to throw stuff. He's only got 30 minutes, so. Don did come out and blow the driveway, but like I said, he only had 30 minutes. It's going on about an hour now. I've got all the sticks picked up, front yard, driveway, off the sides of the driveway, backyard. I told Don not to do the parking pad. First off, it's not that bad, and second off, we'll do it after the wind dries it out a little more. And the only thing I really didn't do is the other side of the house, which is like, I think I saw 3 branches that need to be thrown into the woods, so let me go do that. I actually didn't have any kitties following me around the yard, which I guess was just as well when I was out by the road, but still. I'll do more sweet gum balls every morning with the watering dish, you know, the metal tin. I'll do 1 or 2 a morning until I have it in good shape. I'm in Ruby, headed up to South Park just to do my daily pogo. Doesn't 100% preclude me from going out later, but probably not. Besides, we'll drive down the driveway, all nice and clean. It's really good. Oh, there's one thing fell since I was out here. This little tiny branch. And we'll do more blowing after it's dry, because, you know, that blower does good even when it's wet, but still. I've enjoyed riding around. The sun feels really good in the car today. The wind's not really any calmer. I guess it's just your typical winter day. It's 57 out there though. It's a little warm. Just a little bit above average. We're done editing, baby girl. Yeah, we're done. I'm just gonna go work on her Legos. I heard from Johnny, his first class is an engineering class, the next one, and he's got some of his friends in it, so that went well. That's the only class he has on Wednesdays, so he has to get up early just to get to that class. I guess it keeps him honest about using his time wisely during the day. It is time to get the rest of the panels on this section, and you know, I've got a lot to go up here. I was looking at the picture of this thing, and all this over here has another spire, like this one comes up from here. I'm not even halfway through yet. Not close. It's fun. I'm enjoying it. I'm just plugging along. I made really good progress today, although I guess you can't tell from this side. All the progress is this flower wall, which I'm missing some flowers. I don't have the white and the pink that I need. And then I put in all these panels and all of this framing up here for the next floor, and I started over here because this thing comes this way more. So the only thing I could, this was, oh wow, that was tricky. That took a long time, and I cannot get this little gap here gone. I just can't. It just won't, I just can't. I was able to push them together myself today now that I knew they were supposed to do that. But the red up here is fixed because I found the white, and the one white piece over here is now tan like it's supposed to be. So it's all good. I might look at that one more time, but goodness, I really had it all apart like 3 times and couldn't get that gap gone. So that gap just might have to be there.